How to fix WhatsApp messages out of order. Are your WhatsApp messages showing out of order or new messages appear on top? Here's how to fix it fast. This issue is often caused by incorrect time settings. Set your phone to automatic time and date based on your network. Restarting your phone helps WhatsApp resync messages correctly with the device's clock. Running an old version can cause message delay and bugs. Update the app to get the latest fixes. As a last resort, back up with chats and reinstall WhatsApp. This clears the internal errors that might misplace your messages. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.